Ryan Larson, and he's about to jump a force there. So Ryan, how do you feel about jumping your first force there after a couple of weeks of riding your scooter? Pretty good. Dude, that was pretty sick, bro. That's really sick. High five. Yeah. So yeah, once again, this is Ryan Larson, and he just jumped force there for the first time. Thanks for watching.
I keep a close watch on this heart of mine. I keep my eyes wide open all the time. I keep the ends out for the tie that binds. Because you're mine, I walk the line. Because you're mine, I walk the line.